Hi guys, welcome back to Flo's channel. So we are here at Western Park with our free flying buddies. Everyone's meeting up now.
Hello there people.
We have Flo, of course. We'll see you when we are at the park. Peace out.
Oh, she sees Motley. Don't she see Jekyll?
We are all now heading off to the park. Paco is really lucky. He's getting carried around in the trolley. Dad's live.
We're live.
I'm gonna pop the big lens on and let's go fly. Oh, she looks so cute then. So everyone we have here, Motley, the Harlequin Macaw, Chloe's doing a live right now, Paco, the Alexandrine, free flying, and here we have Mars, and here's the beautiful Merlin. There we go. Merlin, I put him in the last video. He's a Hans Macaw. Yeah.
Big personality.
Yeah, big personality. Yeah. Here we have Ruby the Scarlet and Iago the Greenwing. Hello, Iago. Yay! Here we have Jekyll.
Troublemaker. Shamrock
Macaw.
Military cross with scarlet. Wagging his tail.
Yes.
Say hello to the camera. He wants something from you.
Yeah, we have Nimbus. Patagonia Konya. Beautiful Konya. And she free flies, which is amazing. Yeah. Yay! Here we have a 28-year-old macaw. Guys, look, Dad is holding Iago.
He's my friend.
What, are you scared? She's got a proof. Guys, look who arrived. Hi, Blue. Danielle's a bit late. Hi, Blue.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
You're not scared? Give him a kiss, Dad.
Yay! I'm not. Cameras on, people.
I think Dad has stolen a bird.
That Iago the Macaw here. Hi. He actually quite likes me.
Hi. Well, I'll scream in my face.
Say
Guys, I was waiting for ages to just get that one shot of her coming to me, coming to the camera, and she just flew. Guys, we are having a fantastic time.
We're going to fly with Nimbus. We have Nimbus, the Patagonian Konya. I'm gonna
Let's see if they fly.
Flow. Here we go.
Steady, steady, go!
Flo and a Patagonian Konya. Flocking amazing. It's absolutely flocking mint.
Mars is enjoying himself. Hi Mars, you doing wings? Hello.
Freedom!
If you've enjoyed this video, why not give it a like? But don't worry, the video's not ending yet.
Like, comment, share and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on this kind of content. You know what I mean, people?
Trying to look for Merlin up here, but it's a bit lighter. Might not see it on camera.
You're never gonna do it again. Yeah, that's the fact. He needs to get that ringtone going again. Hello!
Ah!
Hello! I missed it!
Did you get it?
No, I missed it!
You missed it!
Hello! Hello!
We are now heading home. Everyone's leaving. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like the video, like, subscribe and turn on post notification just so you don't miss another video. Peace.